How to get T-Mobile Bill Credit 2026. To get a T-Mobile Bill Credit, you must enroll in automated account promotions, opt into native autopay feature, submit eligible trade-ins, or contact support directly for recent service inconveniences. And because bill credits are applied at the network level, they roll over automatically once active. So first of all, to activate the auto bill credit, open the T-Life mobile application on your device. Then select the Accounts tab, then tap Bill and Pay. Then proceed to choose the link and payment method, and you must link a checking account or a debit card to qualify for the monthly credit. You can also try redeeming the promotional or device trade-in credits. You can also request outage or retention service credits, as well as tracking and submitting your switcher rebates. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.